Was in town today along with other area leaders to attend the Piedmont Triad Partnership Breakfast. The governor applauded the work being done to attract big business like Marshall Aerospace to the Triad. A rep from Marshall Aerospace was also there to talk about the progress of its facility at PTI. Fox 8's Natasha Lagur joins us live tonight from PTI. Natasha, what did you learn about its progress?
Well, right now the facility is under construction and they're on track to be operational by 2025. Now the team says they're excited for construction to be complete and they're already looking to hire.
We've grown with our community in Cambridge in the UK and we very much want to emulate that in the Triad area.
Marshall Aerospace is one of the latest employers to be part of the Carolina Core Initiative, an initiative where big companies are investing money and adding new jobs in the Piedmont Triad and the Triangle in North Carolina. Vice President of Operations for Marshall USA, Marianne Williams, spoke at the Piedmont Triad Partnership Breakfast, not only providing an update about the facility's construction, but why they picked PTI.
We have all of the infrastructure already set up at the airport. So at Cambridge, where we're headquartered in the UK, we're at Cambridge International Airport there, and it's very much similar setup here.
The company invested $50 million into the 680,000 square foot facility. C-130 aircraft will be maintained and repaired at this site. Right now, the company is actively recruiting 240 people to work here. Williams says the Triad has the talent pool they are looking for.
We really see that the Triad's been invested in tremendously from the community colleges, the universities, and that's what we're extremely interested in.
As for PTI leaders, they are excited Marshall Aerospace is moving here and believe this business decision will have a ripple effect.
We're standing on the shoulders of giants from the people who, as much as 50 years ago, were making decisions that enabled the kind of growth and the kind of opportunities that we're able to respond to today.
Now the work doesn't stop here. William wants to expand Marshall Aerospace here at PTI. Live in Greensboro, Natasha Lagur, Fox 8 News.